Technology is spreading to all fields, so it's no surprise that websites are now being used to check product quantities. As CST Group M, this time we are also creating such an inventory management system. So let's observe its demonstration from here. A user can see this when accessing the website. Then enter the login page. It looks like this and let's check its responsiveness. To access the dashboard, the user must be logged in. If you click on the login button without filling any details, a toast message like this will appear. Now let's enter the wrong data. An error message also can be seen here. Then we can enter the correct details. As you can see here, there is no cookies at this time. Let's log in now. Here, even if we didn't click on Remember Me, a cookie is created. Here, each user receives a token and its data is saved in the cookie. But this is valid only until the user closes the browser. Also, if this token is changed or deleted, then the user will be logged out from the dashboard. Also, the authentication has been done, so no one can access to the dashboard without login. Now, let's press on the Remember Me functionality. The token created here is valid for 7 days. It can be seen like this. So, this is our dashboard. The general information of the website is summarized and shown here in the form of graphs. The blue color is normal price and the green color is for the price with tax. It comes from here. This is the normal price and this is the price with the tax. All products, brands, categories and others shown here are currently available amount. Now we can refer to the category page. Category and brands can see in here. First, let's add the category. It is successful and you can see it here. Here you can also leave like this. Then can edit it. Can also delete. Brands are doing the same. Let's check it now. Let's add the brand. Success. Also, it can be viewed. Edit and delete like this. Also, according to the changes made here, the dashboard will also change. Currently, the number of active brands in this dashboard is 5. Now let's delete one from here. Thus, you can see the previous value is 5 has become as 4. Here you can filter through the active or inactive state. I choose active. It's working like this. You can also search through the category and the brand. Let me use category as RAM. It's working. Then search by brand. It's also working. If I enter wrong brand here, then I get the brand not found warning message. Now we can go to the attribute page. Here attributes are managed. Also the attributes of each relevant item are included here. Add attribute can be done by clicking on the Add Attribute button. First, select the attribute, enter the value. It can be also reset. So we can add. It will be success. Can be viewed through this option like this. Let's edit now. For edit, I will change its attributes as color and click on this update. It will be edited. Also, we can delete using this delete option. Here is the filter by attribute option. I will choose storage here. As you can see, it will be filtered like this. Also, after login, the user cannot access the login page via the URL. I think you will confirm that. You can also log out by clicking on this logout button. Next part of our project will be described by my friend Faustina.
Thank you, Netra. This is a product section, and here the table shows the product details, the serial number and product name and product categories also. And here, the top of the product table, here's a filter section. Here we can filter by the serial number. If we click the serial number, we can filter by the table by serial number. And here we can also filter by the category. If we click laptops, we can show the only laptop details. And if we click hard disk, we can show only the hard disk details. Here the category details, the only active categories. Here the category section, only active categories are shown by this select option. And brand also like that. Brand also active brands are shown by this is a select option. Here that product button here, if we click that product, we can go to that product section. Here the bottom, the cancel button, if we click cancel button, we can go back the product view section. If we click add product, we can go to the add product section, and here we type the product serial number and we type the product name, and we select the categories and we select the brand. Here also active categories and active brand are shown by that select option, and we can help the product description. After the product details added, here the add attribute, but if we click the add attribute, here the add attribute model is shown. Here the select the attribute. If we select the color, we can show the values of the color. Here, if we select the storage, we can show the value, only the storage value. If we select display, we can only show the display values. We select color and select the price. Select the price and select the inventory count, and we can select the text type. And if we click the add attribute button, the attribute is added. I select another price, another here, and we can select another attribute. Here I select the price, and here the reset button. If we click the reset button, all fields are reset. I close the model. Here the two attributes added in that section. Here the two action buttons are here, only the edit and delete button. If we click edit, we can edit the details. The details is edited here. Here at the bottom, the add product button is here. If we click that product button, the product is show the message. The product is added successfully. Here bottom of the table, the product, that product is added successfully. If we click here's a view icon. If we click the view icon, the product details is show here. Here the attributes are added here. And then next icon is the edit icon. If we click the edit icon, we can edit the details here. Maybe with the product details and description, and we can change the text rate. After here, the two buttons, so the update and delete button. If we click the update, the confirmation model is here, show here. If we click the confirm, the details is updated successfully. Here the text rate and that things are updated successfully. Here the button is delete. If we click the delete button, they show the confirmation model here. If we click confirm, the details is deleted successfully. Here the tables also delete icon here. If we click the delete icon, we can show the confirmation to delete that product. If we click confirm, we can delete the product successfully. And here that's also the product section. And next section is the sales section. The sales section is all inventory details are shown in the table. Here also filter section here is it's also like that the product section. And here the attribute we can filter by the attributes. And here the new thing is a filter by the price range. If we select the price range $100 to $1,000, we can show only the range is $100 and $1,000 products are shown here. And here also the card icon here. If we click the card icon, the serial number details and the inventory count is here. Here the end of the stock amount to sale. If we click 50, we can sell the 50 amount, 50 amount sales by that product. Here 250, and another 20 amount is sales. Here 230. And the next section is the inventory section. Here the inventory section also like that the sales section, all inventory details are here. Here also the cart icon here. If we click here in the cart icon, we can enter the new stock amount. If we click 50, the 50 amount of stock is updated. The previous is 230 and new things is 50 is added by 280. That's a difference from sales and inventory. And here also we can filter by that sections. And the new thing is that here's a new thing is there's edit icon. Here's the add attribute. If we can new attribute, we can that the product new attribute is added successfully. And that's also our project details. And here's a logout button. If we click the logout button, we can log out into the system. Thank you.